Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having an Audi vehicle. Doesn't matter if you have an SUV, car, Audi A3, A4, Q7, Q5, whatever it is guys. And you're trying to test if your Vvt variable timing solenoid is working and how to save your Vvt solenoid and not to buy a new one, how you can fix a non-working solenoid. Stay with us, we'll explain that today guys by cleaning it. Now, 90% of the time when you have an engine light and code that relates to Vvt solenoid, it could be just a sticking solenoid. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain how to fix it. Now, many of you asked me in the comment section to make that about Audi, and as you know, Volkswagen Cayenne uses Audi engine parts, so practically the same solenoid could be found in many Audi vehicles. The same design has been used in most of the Audi vehicles as well. Before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts or tools, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So with all that being said guys, okay, let's explain what we have here now and what we'll be working on. This is it guys, right here, the solenoid. Okay, and often you have to remove your valve cover to get to it, so you can replace it. That's what it looks like. You may have 1, 2 or even 4 solenoid, depending if you have 4-cylinder engine, V6, V8, depending on the generation of the engine and all that stuff. This solenoid is responsible for the variable timing of your vehicle. And what it does guys, okay, it opens and closes, so it lets oil flow through different holes. That way it can retard or advance the timing on your Audi vehicle. But what's the number one reason for those things to fail? Okay, when you don't change your engine oil often enough, you will have quite a few deposits built inside of those and they can fail. What I would recommend, to get a leaky moly, okay, leaky moly cleaning, engine flush, okay, and try to do that before removing it. It may take care of the problem by cleaning everything. If it doesn't guys, you have to remove the solenoid and test it. Now we're going to put it to the test. You have 2 wires on the back. Okay, check out the engine oil that comes out, it's bad. Okay, 2 wires, doesn't matter which one is positive, negative. What we'll be doing, we'll just connect the alligator clip, okay, and make sure that the wires don't touch each other. If they touch each other, you will burn your solenoid. You can say bye-bye to it. You'll need a new one. 9-volt battery or just a car battery is fine as well. And when you touch the battery, listen now how it can open and close. Listen now. So that's a working solenoid, but how do you clean them guys? What we use at the shop, we use mass airflow cleaner. We'll put the link where we got ours in the description of the video below. The moment guys, okay, you get the cleaner, get the cable ready. I'll recommend one person, okay, to have the to operate the wire, the other one to spray the cleaner, and okay, just spray through each hole really good. Okay, check it out. Okay, and check out what's coming out guys, right? It's terrible. And check out what happened here. That's quite a bit of stuff that we just leaked out guys. Clean on the front as well. Do that for about 1 minute. Circulate it really good. Make sure everything's good. And you can hear how much louder it clicks now. Listen now. That's because everything's nice and clean. What I would even recommend, do that for about 1 minute guys. Get it outside in the open air, not inside your garage, because that can those cleaners are very powerful and not good for your health. Get some engine oil, leaky moly. That's the new stuff that we've been using lately in our cars, so we'll be switching to this one in that Porsche as well. Works really good. And we're going to go ahead, add engine oil, okay, in every hole. Just add oil guys, really good oil, and circulate it open and close so that oil can get on the inside. What I would even recommend, get a small cup, put engine oil, dip the solenoid and open and close it multiple times. It will clean even better. Check out how good that engine oil cleans. Look at the rack now, how good it cleans it guys. So that definitely takes care of that. Hopefully guys, you'll fix your problem 90% of the time. It fixes ours on Audi vehicles that we work at the shop. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.